Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to look at a dual SureFly installation. And as I'll tell you, the biggest part of the installation is the battery backup. We're going to show that too, but here are the two SureFlies on the back of a Tiger engine. No ignition harnesses, but this is what they look like as we're going to go ahead and show you the rest of the dual SureFly installation. We'd like to ask that you please subscribe, hit the like button, and the notify to stay current with our content. Thank you. So to have the dual SureFlies, you have to have a battery backup, and here is the TCW battery backup, and as you can see there, it's mounted already on the firewall. You can see the insulation on the firewall right there below it, and the wiring nightmare, if you look on the website, you'll see that it's quite complicated and more considerate than most people consider. So factor that in, that the wiring is going to be extremely difficult to do, but that's what you'll need to do to go ahead and have it. Now let's look at some more components of the dual battery backup for the SureFly. Now you're going to have a battery backup switch, and the label is right there underneath the white label. You can see next northeast of the alternator fail light. But you do have a battery backup in the panel for the batteries to back up the dual SureFly installation. You're not going to get much of a performance boost from the dual SureFly, but you should get a lot more consistent, even burn across your EGTs and CHTs with a dual system. And here's the battery backup again on the firewall, and that is a panel brace that's made out of round stainless steel that you can get from aircraft spruce, but you can see that the wiring on the firewall is going to get very complicated. Again, follow the instructions on the TCW website for the wiring installation, and now stay tuned for the vent line of the battery out through the firewall. And for the vent out to the firewall, we're going to use the existing fuel bulkhead that came through. We're going to change it to a larger size, but that way Jimmy can put stainless steel in the firewall side to go down and vent the batteries, and he can use the polyethylene tubing on the inside to vent the lines, and then that way the battery will be vented outside of the cabin for the battery backup. And folks, that completes the installation for a dual SureFly on your aircraft. Again, the wiring is considerable. Please follow the TCW website. Again, ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're having fun with your Grumman. You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.